And we are live. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the stream. Today's going to be a London session. If you're watching, make sure you click on the like button. And today's first viewer is Elevation Error. Welcome, Elevation Error. Hey there, Sudar Shan. Waiting for trade analysis for today. For sure, we're going to get started shortly. If you're watching, make sure to click on the like button on this stream. Let's try and get to about 7 likes before we start the analysis. Appreciate it, Sudar. Hey there, Memu. Let's get to 7 likes before we get started. I think it's going to go for a sell. We're going to take a look at gold shortly. Dini, which strategy type do you follow? I use my own strategy. Yeah, I don't really follow a specific one except my own. Good afternoon, Dino. What pair is this? This is gold. I'm doing good. How about you, Dino? I haven't seen you on the previous stream, but welcome. Today, Black Friday sale is started on TradingView. Good afternoon, King's Trader. Everyone that's watching, make sure to click on the like button. Okay. Let me check how many likes we're on. We are on 2 likes. So yeah, we need to get to about 5. Okay. Let's get to 7 actually. 7 likes. 7 likes and then we can get started. Good morning, Abdulaziz. I think I saw you on the stream yesterday. How are you, Anesh? I'm doing good. All right, let's get started. Okay, so welcome everyone. Welcome to the stream. Usually, how we do things is we break down the charts, starting off with gold. Okay, we start off with gold, and then we also analyze different pound pairs, Euro USD, USD JPY, as well as New Zealand dollar. Okay, I'm going to show you really what I see in the market, whether it's a potential setup or maybe there's nothing, right? either ways, you're gonna see how I look at the charts and what I look for. Um, and so, without further ado, let's get started. Also, don't forget we are doing a giveaway. So if you stay tuned, we will be giving away accounts. Okay. I'm at work watching Emmanuel from Nigeria. Welcome, Emmanuel. Sorry, Emmanuel. Uh, I was about to say Emmanuel, but Emmanuel. Smoker Rider, what's up? All right, let's get started. So gold right now, bit of a consolidation going on. Okay, starting from Friday last week. Okay, we do have somewhat of a consolidation, and consolidation is basically a fancy word for price is moving sideways. Okay, it's not trending up and it's not trending down. It's literally up and down. It's consolidating. Okay. Now, whenever there's a consolidation, usually what I like to do is wait for a break of the low within that consolidation, or the high within that consolidation. Now, if we identify if the starting point of the consolidation was Friday, right here, okay, we've identified that. So based on this timeline from this time until current time, what's the high and the low? So the low is this point here, and the high is this point here. Now, why do we do that? Why do we do that? It's simply because if we get a break and a close of either the high or the low, it will possibly, and I say possibly, signal the break of the consolidation. It's not going to consolidate anymore. It's gonna start trending either in a bearish way or in a bullish way. Okay. With that being said, the two levels we're looking at is 4,006, as well as 4,128. We want to see a close either below that level or above this high. Okay. Very simple. So right now, essentially, that's what I'm waiting for. I want to see a break below and a close below, and as well as a break above and a close above this level specifically. Okay, if you understood that, comment 1. That's very clear. What I've explained, comment 1. Comment number 1 if you've understood what I've explained. Okay, perfect. Elevation Error said, I think gold will be bearish today. Let's see. We want to see a break below that 4,006 level before we consider it to be more bearish. Okay. So, yeah, 4,006 as well as 4,127 being the two key levels that I'm waiting for price to break in order to start trading gold again. Okay. Perfect. So we're going to move on. We'll come back to gold. Next up, we have pound Japanese yen. Okay. Pound Japanese yen. Yesterday, on the New York session, I did say if pound Japanese yen breaks below this level, then it's likely we're going to see it continue towards the downside. And it's dropped quite a lot since. Okay, so if you caught that trade, well done. As for now, with pound JPY, it's right back in between these two zones, the support and the resistance zone. And so what I'm looking for with GJ at the moment, first of all, like I always say, if price is in between two levels of support and resistance, then don't trade it. Okay, it's in between. So you have to wait for a break above resistance or a break below support to consider trading, depending on your strategy. Okay, definitely not with my strategy. So with that being said, I would say a level to look out for with GJ is this level here. I want to see it break below 204, 230. Okay, I want to see how it deals with that level. But currently, nothing there with GJ, if I'm being honest. Okay. Yeah, moving on. We have pound USD, pound dollar. Okay, pound USD, currently just above support. Okay. So essentially, what has to happen is pound USD has to respect this current support that it's approaching. Okay, if we get a close below this level, 1.30439, then it's likely we're going to see further downside for pound USD. Okay, so yeah, I think it's just a wait and see for pound USD at the moment. If we can get price to stay above 1.30452 and hopefully make its way back and break above this level, 1.30961, we could see more bullish momentum. But as for now, there's nothing there. It's just a wait and see game. Okay. Next up, we have pound Swiss. All right, pound Swiss currently just below that resistance level. So I think a level to look at for pound Swiss is a close below 1.05119. I want to see price break and close below 1.05119, sorry, before we consider a potential short with pound Swiss. But I want to monitor it. Okay. It's under the resistance zone at the moment. So either we're going to get a consolidation at this point, or we're going to get price to close below 1.05110, and then we could short to potentially the next level, 1.04571. Hey there, Chisom. Okay, hope that's clear. Moving on, we have pound CAD. Pound CAD in between two levels. Staying out of that one. Next up, we have pound New Zealand. Okay, currently above a support level. Yeah, with pound New Zealand, what I'd like to see is price close above 2.33986. I want to see price close above that level to consider going long. But right now it's consolidating just above the support. So we need to see some breakout towards that level that I mentioned um, for me to consider a potential long. Okay. Moving on, pound AUD, pound Australian dollar. Pound Australian dollar at the moment um, at a resistance zone. Very simply put, what I'd need to see is if price can close above this zone. Like if we get a body close above this zone right here, then we could start going long for pound AD. First targets being 2.03990 and higher, of course. Okay, but what I need to see is price close above this current resistance zone. If we get a body close above, we could consider going long. Okay, straightforward. We have USD JPY now. USD JPY broke below that zone that I said. Was it yesterday? Um, yeah, in between resistance and support, like I always say, prices in between stay out. So pretty much it's probably going to consolidate at this point. All right, Euro USD. Euro USD currently at just below a support level. Um, we still didn't get a close below on this current candle. Like it could actually pull back and close above still. So we still have, I guess, half an hour um, for the candle close. So I'd say let's just see how it moves based around this zone. But if we get a body close below 1.15130, it could be a sign for Euro USD to start heading towards the downside. If we get a body close, okay. Not just a break below, but a body close. Giveaway, sir. We're not giving away anything right now. It's after the analysis is done. So once we wrap up the analysis, I will give away some accounts. No trade taken this week on my side. I mean, you don't really have to always trade if there's no setup available. Sometimes there's no trade setups, and that's fine. And then there's weeks where you're taking trades every single day, multiple times in a day. Nothing there with New Zealand dollar, and we are back to gold. Like I said before, in case you missed what I said, we are So we've highlighted the low of the start. So there's a consolidation going on. The low of that consolidation is this point here, 4,006. And the high of this consolidation is 4,127. What we're waiting for is price to um, either break below the low, break and close below the low, or break and close above the high before we consider taking any trades with gold. So yeah, very clear and straightforward. I breached a 150k futures account today. Sorry to hear that the one trade is, but um, obviously the risk management wasn't on point if you've breached the rules. So what could you do different? Ask yourself, what could you do different next time that wouldn't allow you to possibly breach? Gold is very choppy today. Yes, a lot of consolidation going on. So, which is why I highlighted those 2 points. We need to get a break above or a break below. Bro, Dini, I got funded from a giveaway. Nice. All right, guys, if you have any questions, I'll start to answer some of your questions. Again, if you're looking for a discount on accounts, what I recommend is you use the code AquaTV. You get 45% off when it comes to a FX account, or even 65% off when it comes to a futures account. So everyone says to take only one trade a day. Some do scalping. Is there any difference between these two traders? Again, they both work as V trader. Whether you take one trade a day or multiple trades a day, there's no difference. If you are profitable, you're profitable. Okay. There's no one or the other. You can scalp and be profitable, you can swing and be profitable. So long as you have a winning system. We'll be requesting first payout from my two AquaFutures 25k funded account on Monday. Nice. How much is your payout, Sid Hat? Good day, hard pill. Appreciate it, Sudha. $750 each account. Nice. If that's your first payout, well done. To the guy that was saying I breached the account, if you look at Sid Hat, that should you take that as inspiration. Okay. Let me know where you're from, Siddhat. Sir, I did scalping and one trade daily. I found scalping a bit risky and one trade daily more profitable and better for the long term. Then do one trade a day. See whatever works for you, you just do more of that. That's it. India, nice. Is it your first ever payout? What is your biggest challenge in trading today? I feel like the biggest challenge for traders is once they have a winning system, the ability to repeat. See, the thing with repetition is this: just because you have a winning system, like I'll give you an example, another example to not do with trading. Let's say you're someone that's trying to get in shape, okay? You know what to eat, you know how to train, you know how many calories you should be having or consuming every day. Okay, you have the winning system, right? You know what to do, when to do it. The problem or the challenge for a lot of people is the repetition part. See, you can eat good for one day. You can have a good strategy or trade um, using your system for one day, but doing that multiple times throughout days, weeks, months, years, for a lot of people, that's very boring. Repetition is boring. Being on the same diet, being on the same strategy is boring, right? And so the ability to repeat and not get bored is a very powerful skill. I think as traders, we do get bored, but if you have a winning system, then what, like for example, Jazvi asked, he said, Sir, I trade once a day and profitable. But then I'm also thinking about scalping. Think about it. If something is working, why are you looking to try something else? It's because you're bored. So don't get bored. Figure out what works and repeat. Okay. First futures payout. Nice. Was it one trade or multiple trades, Siddhant? Hopefully we get gold to push down to 4,005 so we get more of a bearish momentum from there. But if it pulls back up and we see gold test the 4,100 levels, that I need to see close below that, sorry, above that point. Gold is very choppy today. Yeah, it's just a wait and see game. Literally just a wait and see game. Multiple small trades, 25K to 27. Nice. I've already answered the question, Anshaw. Where are you guys from, by the way? Comment below. I know Siddhant is from India. Where's everyone else from? Do we have anyone from the UAE? Do we have anyone from the UK? Let me know. Watching from Ghana. Nice. India, Sri Lanka. West Africa. Yeah, I know where Ghana is. I'm aware. India, Hong Kong. Nice. What time is it in Hong Kong, Christopher? You know what? I'm gonna do an early account giveaway right now. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a futures account, a 10K futures account. 6:45. Okay, nice. So you're only ahead of the UAE by a few hours. Yeah, we're gonna give away a 10K futures account. So just give me a second. 4:13 in India. 10K futures account. Who's ready for the first giveaway of this stream today? Who's ready? If you're ready, let me know. Who's going to be the lucky person today? All right, you guys are ready. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so what you're going to do, you just hope someone who needs it wins. Yeah, for sure, Sidhant. Um, First account giveaway of this stream for a chance to win a 10K futures account. All you have to do, you don't have to, you know, do a marathon. All you have to do is go on Instagram. You type in AquaTV Live. You're going to type in again AquaTV Live, and you're going to find an Instagram reel with the title His Biggest Lesson Learned. Okay, you're going to watch it entirely, leave a like and a comment. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. The video is only 30 seconds. Okay, you have to watch it from the start to finish. Watch it, like, and comment, and I'll pick a random winner using a comment picker. Okay, 2 minutes starts now. Again, I'm going to comment the Instagram username on the chat. There we go. I just commented on the YouTube chat. The reel is his biggest lesson learned. Okay. Time is ticking. I'm about to pick a winner. Good luck. Which video? I've commented on the chat. The video is called His Biggest Lesson Learned on Instagram. Done? Okay. Also, share that video. I forgot to mention, sorry. If you've liked and you've commented, click on the share button and send that to a friend. Okay? Send that to a friend. Anyone that you know, send that to a friend to qualify. Okay? Apologies for not mentioning that. So leave a like and a comment, but click on the share button and share that reel with a friend. Okay, 30 seconds to go. Make sure you've done all the steps. Like, comment, and share. I can see everyone that's sharing, so make sure you do the last step. Again, like, comment, and click on the share button on the reel and send that to a friend. If you've done all the steps, comment done. Christopher's done it. Pankage done. All done. Okay, perfect. Time to pick the winner. Okay, about to pick the winner. The winner of the first 10K futures account is Chris.110_priv. Again, Chris.1101_priv. Congrats on winning the first 10K giveaway futures account. We are giving away some more accounts, so give me a second, guys. Chris, oh, that's you, Christopher. Well done, well done. Congrats on winning that. Nice to see. I think is it your first time watching the stream, Christopher? I don't think I've seen you before. Maybe my chances today. Yeah, there's multiple chances. Perfect. See, it's your first time joining the stream and it's your lucky day. Well done, well done. I'm gonna explain how you can redeem that, by the way. Just wait around till I announce everyone. Next one, we're giving away another 10K futures account. Okay, shout out to AquaTV. This one I'll make it very simple, not to make it too long. All you have to do is comment a number between 1 and 20. The first person to guess the right number wins. Okay, good luck. This is for the 10K futures. Christopher, if you've already won during the stream, then it's not possible to win multiple times with the same person. Okay, I think we have a winner. The winner is Elevation Error. Elevation Error, congrats on winning the 10K futures account. The number is 17. All right, next up we have Forex accounts. Okay, before we were giving away futures accounts, now we're giving away 4 10K Forex accounts. I repeat, 4 That means 4 different people have the opportunity. If you're ready, comment ready. If you're ready, comment ready. Guys, stop spamming numbers. Just comment ready. That's it. Some of you guys are trying to cheat the system. You say numbers way before I announce the giveaway, and then you're like, oh, I was the first person to have said this number, but you said every number possible. Someone tried that actually. Was it 2 streams ago? He was commenting every number. And then when it came to when I started the giveaway, he was like, oh, I've said this number. I've said this number, which is quite funny. But all right. Yeah, ready, ready. Okay, perfect. So this is for the 10K Forex account. Okay. I'm gonna make this as random as possible. There is a color that I have in my mind right now. The first person to guess the color wins. Okay, I'm just gonna make this giveaway as random as possible. The first person to guess the color that I'm thinking about, okay, we have a winner. We straight away have a winner. Cyan R26. I was gonna choose black, by the way, so whoever said that, nice. But Cyan, good guess. Congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. Okay, we are giving away 3 more accounts, everyone. So Cyan R26. All right. 3 more Forex accounts. How do I make this as random as possible? I'm trying to think. I am trying to think. Um, hmm. Yeah, we'll do the numbers giveaway, I guess. So, guys, pick a number from 1 to 30. 1 to 30. Pick a number from 1 to 30. We have a winner, Maymu Onet. Maymu Onet. Congrats. That's the number that ChatGPT gave me. The number is 22. Um, congrats on winning the 10K FX account. And if you don't win, once again, there's a discount code on the screen. It's AquaTV, and it gives you a massive discount on futures accounts and Forex accounts. We are giving away 2 more Forex accounts. 2 more. Okay, 2 more. Guys, stop spamming numbers. I am going to let you know when it's time. Bro's giving away accounts like he's Mr. Beast. We're giving away accounts. Not time. Guys, you guys are spamming numbers. Comment ready when you're ready. Do not spam numbers to try and cheat. It's unfair. Unfair. And I will not qualify anyone that is spamming numbers when I've not said when. So just comment ready. Let's be fair. This is about being fair. If you're going to win, you're going to win. Okay. Always believe in what's coming your way is coming your way, regardless. Don't try and cheat your way there. Be an honest person, okay? All right. Ready. You guys are ready. I want to make sure the people that win the giveaway, that hopefully these accounts, help you start your trading career and, allows you to grow multiple accounts. Okay. So that's the aim, hopefully. With that being said, for a chance to win a 10K Forex account, for a chance to win a 10K Forex account, comment a letter from A to Z. One letter. The first person to guess the letter that I'm thinking about wins. This is different. I like it. This is different. So it's a letter this time. A to Z. Okay, we have a winner. Straight away, we have a winner. But let me confirm if you're the first person to have said that number, the letter. Yeah, you are. Rexy Bro 069. Congrats. Congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. Guys, if you're ready for the last account of this stream, let me know. Who's ready for the last account of the stream? Okay, if you're ready, you'd have to stay on the stream because I'm gonna tell you guys how you can enter it at any time from now till the end of the stream. Okay, so if you leave the stream, you miss out. Make sure, of course, that you've clicked on the like button. If you're watching the stream, click on the like button. Today might be a lucky day. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm gonna announce how you can get a 10K Forex account. You gotta watch it. Let me win for the first time. If you're lucky, you're lucky. That's it. I don't get to pick the winner. Who's trading any pound pairs? If you're trading any pound pairs, let me know what pound pair that you're trading. Comment below if there's any pound pairs that you're trading. How do I claim the account? Good question. So, if you've won a giveaway, all you have to do is open a Discord ticket. Say that you've won and show proof. That's it. Open a Discord ticket. Emmanuel said, GJ. Wait, so okay, if you're in any trade at the moment, let me know what pair and if it's long or short. So put in GJ long. These are trades that you're in at the moment. Okay, so comment the trades that you're in now, and comment if you've bought or you've sold. GU short. Okay, let's have a look at GU. GU short. I mean, GU short would be nice if we get a break below. And again, this is not financial advice. Okay, this is just my opinion. Yeah, if we get a break below 1.30436, I think we could start seeing GU push further towards the downside. That would be a good indication. Pound Swiss buy. Let me have a look at Pound Swiss. Yeah, with Pound Swiss, I think it's too early for a buy. I'm not saying it might not go up, but I'm saying I'm just curious as to when you bought and why you bought, if I'm being honest. Someone said pound USD long, and another person said pound USD short. Let's see who's going to be right. Pound USD, let me have a look. I think we already took a look at that. Yeah, we'll need to see. Gold short. Gold, like I said, going back to gold, we need to see whether it's short or long. I want to see price break below these 2 points. Break above this point or break below this point. Until then, there is no setup. Okay. Where's the Discord? So you're gonna find it on the website. Just find the Discord of AquaFunded. When you find it, speak to support, or maybe just open a support ticket. So go on the website, open a support ticket, and then just tell them, hey, I was on Dini's stream, I won, his proof, and yeah, you'll be taken care of. Most traders are confused on what and how many time frame for analysis. You need to go watch my streams. I always break down those questions. So yeah. Just closed my gold, sir. We are in a critical daily support, waiting for further confirmation. Yeah, just wait. I'm telling you, just wait. You get paid to wait, okay? Yo, how do you get paid to wait? Because if you take a trade too early, you're losing. So by waiting and not taking any trades, essentially you've saved that loss, okay? So yes, patience and waiting for trades are very important. With that being said, I'm going to give away the 10K Forex account. Okay. I'm going to try and make this fair. If I won the futures account, I contact the futures section. Yeah, just either ways, it works. So just open a support ticket, tell them that you won. Yeah. Or maybe DM the AquaTV live Instagram page, DM them as well. Even if you don't take any trades, it's a profitable day, you know. Okay, so for a chance to win a 10K Forex account, I want you guys to comment a number from 1 to 25. 1 to 25. The first person to guess the number from 1 to 25 gets a chance to win a 10K Forex account. All right, we have a winner. We have a winner. We have a winner. The winner of the 10K Forex account is trader underscore NO8. Congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. The number is 18. Okay. So congrats everyone that won during this stream. Like I said before, open a Discord ticket. And show proof that you are the person that commented the numbers. How do you want me to show proof? Yeah, just take a screenshot. Everyone say congrats to trader underscore NO8. Pick one more. Yeah, so on the Insta reel, yeah, just tell them your name. They'll take care of you. I have given first package. It's trader underscore NO8 that said it first. But if you haven't, won during the stream, just understand that we do give away accounts on every stream. Okay. Anshaw, try joining the next stream. Hopefully you get a chance to win. With that being said, guys, it's the end of the stream. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. If you did, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment once the stream ends, and also set your notifications on so you know when I go live. With that being said, I'll see you on the next stream, and that's on Monday, London session. Okay, Monday, London session. I'll see you guys back on here. Good afternoon.